Just 2 days, Steve Weagle has made his way through 3 counties as he raises money for the Red Cross. Tonight, he is in Hope Sound,
Steve,
favorite spot.
That's right. It is his favorite spot. We're going to hear more about that in just a moment. And Steve, you had some support today from another bike rider, our own Michael Williams. So
yeah,
was he able to keep up with you?
He wants to stay low key for some reason. There he is. Look at him hiding in the background there. He's the rider. I mean, I was just trying to keep up with him today. We had a good ride though, didn't we? Yeah, we started off in Fort Pierce and went down A1A and US 1, and obviously hot today. It was high 80s, low 90s. We had a good view, and then eventually over the Roosevelt Bridge. There's us leaving Fort Pierce. It was a wonderful day along the coastline, but the heat turned up quickly, and eventually we got down in. We went through Jensen Beach and Stewart and Hope Sound, and even through all of St. Lucie counties. And our escorts today from St. Lucie County Sheriff, thank you very much for that. And of course, Bob Livingston driving the Irv in the background there. Always a great addition. He's been doing it for about 20 years now. So it was a hot and humid one. We're now at Harry and the Natives in Hope Sound, and tomorrow we will be back into Palm Beach County, starting in Jupiter, and then eventually working our way down into Boca at Friday at 5 and 6 o'clock. I want to, Harry, thanks so much for hosting us again today. It's always a great time.
Thank you. Thank you for 20 years of doing this, and it's a great thing. Thank you.
And you have a check presentation for how much?
$2,500.
All right. And if you haven't been to Harry's, you must try it. It is old Florida fun here, and it is, it's an institution.
68 years. 68 years we've been here. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. You got to drop by if you haven't been here.
Long night.
That's what today's bike ride felt like.